best laboratory to ensure worker safety, the best quality you can trust, constant concern about safety. This was the beginning of Chc Lab. Since its establishment in 1996, Chc Lab has established itself as a laboratory and fume hood company. We achieved the top position in domestic market share in 2004 due to continuous technology development and quality improvement. With our passion for safety, we have actively grown throughout Asia, South America, Europe, and have been recognized for safety and quality worldwide. Chc Lab's business areas consist of Chc Lab, that researches, develops, and produces lab furniture, fume hoods, and storage cabinets. BioAll, that researches, develops, and produces the biological safety cabinet and clean bench. Chc Lab, which consults on, designs, constructs, and maintains customized laboratories. And Lab, which designs and manufactures customized products. We provide total laboratory solutions, including consulting on product manufacturing, installation, construction, and maintenance according to the environment, which depends on laboratory mechanisms by the organic connection among all business areas. Chc Lab begins consultation in the stage of laboratory construction, not just manufacturing. We check gas, electricity, fire utility systems, and exhaust management facilities directly. And based on these, we design layout drawings and proceed with production after client's approval. We produce the appearance of the product and each accessory material by using the NCT process. We use a punch press method via a mold and bending. We make the frame through automatic pipe cutting and welding. We produce the plate that conforms to the standard through the cutting machine and the boring machine. We have established a standardized process for producing finished products through painting and assembly. We practice nonconformity zero through quality innovation based on a 3-step quality control process: receiving, process, and final inspection. The first lab table to receive CEFA certification in Korea. The clean storage cabinet won various design awards, such as the Pinup Design Award, Good Design Award, and many others. The fume hood is the only product in Korea to receive ASHRAE 110 certification from the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers. The NSF Certified Biological Safety Cabinet, which is the only product of its kind in Korea and owned by only 15 companies in the world, will keep workers safe from biological hazards. These certifications demonstrate CHC's commitment to ensuring a reliable, quality, and building a safe laboratory. Chc Lab has been continuously working to improve laboratory safety under the management philosophy of contribute to the development of science and technology by creating safe products and services. Making your labs safe. This is the mission of Chc Lab.